manje ngibona ngilimela isong limazwe umuntu. This is a very painful song, but at the same time very spirit filled. Ngoma emnandi kangaka by uSisi Angel Noko. Oh, afethu, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'm your host ST Dlamini. Yes, nobanizo le ngoma le, it's a different language. Ngiyazi ukuthi abanye abanini, abanye benu baba they are multilingual, so nje bayi understand le ngoma. But into emnandi nangale ngoma le, noma bayi understand the language, you could feel the pain and the spirit behind this song. So ke yes, uzosithatha sibeke yena udadewethu ukuthi why this song? Why ngempela? Maybe mhla ibhala why kwakunani? What is it that she had in her mind? But ke sinayi khona la namhlanje. Siso
Baba,
why this song?
This song Baba mangibhala it was 2022. So ngayibhala ngibona ukuthi abantu abaningi balimele. Ngibhalela abantu. Yes, mina ukulimala kwami mengithi ngipholile that time. So ngathi ngibhalele isizwe ngoma left and right sibona ama pain. And you know ingoma sometimes is better ma producer or uyicula language yakho.
You express yourself.
Yes, you express yourself. Yes, ngingoma ezicula ngeSizulu nange English, but I felt ukuthi let me connect to it ngendlela ukuthi ngiyayazi ukuthi ipain ini. That's why ngicula mengithi ngiculela abantu. Ngingazi ukuthi ngelinye ilanga umuntu engimshiye emuva ngithi ngivale ichapter uzobuya kimi futhi azokhosa ipain. So manje ngithe mangiza ku studio sakho namhlanje ngathi hey, why le ngoma le ibuya ithi khumbula ingoma ethi ngilimaze umuntu, which is ngeSesotho ithi ke goba dijwe ke motho ka Sepedi. So ngathi no ngizocela ukuthi ithi ngingene ngayo le ngoba iconnected to my story kahle. And mangicula manje ngiyazwa ukuthi ngiba emotional ukuthi really ngisalimala futhi mangithi ngipholile or ngizama ukuphola umuntu uyabuya azongikhosela ipain. I'm sure nawo mangelo ukuthi ngangena ngingoma ebuhlungu kanje. Ngingena ngayo baba because ngaphila nendoda empilweni yami years back, which was 16 years ago.
Yeah.
Ngaphila nalendoda ibizwa ubaba Mdluli. I believe ukuthi uMdluli ikhuluma ngomuntu odlulayo. Mina ngithi ngikhulumisa isituation yami ngithi lo baba lo wafika empilweni yami wakhosa ipain wadlula wabuya futhi after 13 or 16 years wabuya wazokhosa enye ipain ngithi ngivalile wayikhosa ipain wahamba ngoba sinomntwana wakhosa ipain wadlula nalomntwana. So I'm here kuze share story sami ngitshela abalaleli ngibonisa abalaleli ukuthi la empilweni sifanele ukuthi sicaphele singanyatheli impilo sivale amehlo. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyabona that time mangingena kuleyo relationship. Yes, kanti ngingaboni kahle mikunelizwi phakathi kwami lisho lithi no Angel awuselanga lokho la. And lo umuntu akusi umuntu ofunekayo empilweni yakho, but I chose to avoid ilentuzana leyo voice. I tried ukuthi ngiraise ama concerns ukuthi but ngikuzwela ubuhlungu baba, not ukuthi ngikuthande wathi wena uzalizolo ubuhlungu lobo ubuswayo uthando.
Disturb you a bit. We will go straight into the heart of this conversation. But firstly, you were not writing it to yourself or for yourself, but for people. But now it looks like you connect to your own song. It's like you were writing it for yourself, not knowing that you were writing it for yourself.
Exactly.
So, check how your story relate kule ngoma le?
Story sami se relate kule ngoma because of ikhuluma ngomuntu okuzwisa ubuhlungu. And umuntu lo ngithi ubaba Mdluli unzwisa ubuhlungu and kuumuntu naye. so I connect izinto ngibengisikhulumayo ku this song ngithi manje ngibona ngiphume emshadweni ngiyenzani mengikhulumela komunye umuntu ngithi ngoba mina ngipholile ithile idori lezi ngizizwayo ngoba ngisebenza eradioweni umsebenzi wami mengisebenza ku TV ngenza ama act in so idori ngiyamotivate uthola abantu bakutshela idori ukuthi Angel awungitshele mangiphume emshadweni kanje ngento eso wena ungathini kimi ngoba you have that experience so mengithi ngihlanganise konke ngithi manje ngibona ngiphume emshadweni kanje ngenxa yomuntu and I'm one of those people ngikhona la ngithi kule ngoma ngithi manje ngithi ngiyazama manje ngiphakimisa ikhanda ngiyasithintitha nginyathele phambili kancane umuntu loyo seza futhi azongcinezela phansi akamboni ukuthi sengiphansi already.
And how you met with the man?
Lo baba lo waziwa kakhulu in the industry of media.
Okay.
We company yena self ku media une company le ya recorder kuma artists une company le kuyi publisher nezinye lezinye ke ngiscount ngoba angithathanga isikhathi ngikukumazi naye akanikezanga isikhathi ukuthi ngimwazi kakhulu ngimwazi ngobubi phela not ukuthi kaningi abantu mabakhuluma baba with my experience of working in the radio and kumotivate abantu abantu bakhuluma izinto ezibad ngomuntu ngoba babitha ori ngoba bafuna ukumosha igama mina ngithemba ukuthi yonke into yenzayo embi kumuntu there's God behind it. So kufuneka ukhulume iqiniso ukuthi uNkulunkulu naye azokhona ukungenelela akupholise quickly but mawukhuluma amanga yes noma ukhuluma iqiniso kuzoba umuntu ozayo akhuluma amanga and ilizo or omubi usathane ubeliever ilai kakhulu mawume eqinisweni kaningi abantu abathandi the truth you find yourself standing alone but and ayifuni isupport mawukhuluma iqiniso uma uyi1 whether many they are against you bakhuluma amanga wena uyama if you know ukuthi ukhuluma iqiniso baba iqiniso mawulikhuluma even if they can wake you up ulele but bakubuze the same thing ukuthi uthi ubani lo baba lo akuzwisa ubuhlungu you'll still say kintate Mdluli. You will never say but amanga uzothi usazama ukucabanga so ngihleli la because ngilimaza umuntu so this song nalaba bafuna ukuphola through yona or to revisit impilo yabo I think it's good for them ukuthi ibapolice ngoba kula ku chorus ngithi isabelo I don't know ukuthi I'm saying it right ngesizulu la ungabalekela khona akukho umuntu masakuzisa ubuhlungu especially makuumuntu omdala lo equipped asitshela ukuthi mina ngiyakhona ukubribe yonke indawo ngiyakhona kuma nabantu baba nami because ngiyenza izinto zami ngiyasabeka so you find yourself kunganala ukusabela khona mawuthi ukhuluma nabantu uyebatshela istory sakho you find yourself utshela ienemy umngani wakhe
asizakale
umngani wakhe add fire or amabhadisi wakhe add fire thawu lo mama lo uthini ngawe manje ufuna ukucabanisa nawe or wayatshela thina istory uyayibona that thing and then uthola egcineni unganala ubalekela khona so ku chorus ngithi akukho la ngabalekela khona mangingwazi uJehova phela ngithi uyambona Jehova na ukuthi ngilimaze umuntu.
Njengoba ngisho bafisihleli naye usisi udadewethu Angel Noko abantu abaningi bayamazi labo umkhumbula ku Rhythm City nakwamanye amasuphi nje ahlukahlukene namhlanje loba sihleli naye la sizoxoxa about a journey of life yakhe azothatha sibeke ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngiyazi ukuthi someone lapho ubuka lapha emakhaya will connect to the story akwazi ukuthi naye asizakale because at the same time lesingasho sithi ikungaba iawareness even to a community out there so Angel
baba
uhlangana naye we artist
yes
the reason yokuhlangana, since umentioned ukuthi ungathi umuntu okwemedia, you know, ufuna publishing or ufunani, like what was the reason of meeting up with him?
Okay, Baba, you know, as uyazi ukuthi kungena ku this industry, music is not easy.
Yeah.
I felt ukuthi I'm called to sing music. But umculo ma musician, you can jungle around wonke ungacula secular ngacula in.
Perfect.
But mangikhula I connected to more gospel because mingisesontweni all the time. Ngikhulele ku sonto leli la polygamy balibiza la kaBaba Mdise IPHC.
Okay.
Abanye balazi ngeIPCC. So ngikhule lapho kula manje nganikezwa platform khona. You know, when you stick to a pattern of gospel ugcina se ikungenelela emoyeni, so thatha yona. So there was this time where I felt like ukuthi I'm not a singer yesonto. I'm a singer, I'm a solo artist laying if ngizimele, I must be ngizimele uyabona. So I went out now, ngilokho ngisonta, ngiya out, ngijoin amanye ama artists.
Okay.
Ngathola ukuthi it's not easy kungena ku solo artist phela, ungene nje uthole deal. I started Nabo Soweto Gospel Choir, Bumoja, na other people singing with well-known artists. Sitora over Sibuya, but still, umoya wami mo still ngizwa ukuthi man, I'm not a choir person. I'm a solo artist. And uNkulunkulu yazi mafuna ukukhipha ku ezintweni, ukukhipha akakhiphi kahle. Ukkhipha ngenye indlela wena ubone kanti there's something better for you. There was this lady what nyenzi demo that time, and uyazi ukuthi abantu base studio sometimes mongazi language studio they can put your voice yakho i-auto tune uzizwe ngathi ucula kamnandi njengoba yenzwa kuma kwaito. I didn't have experience that time.
Yeah.
My first time singing in the studio ngenza amaculo nyana i5 ngoba balekise imali, they put auto tune ukuthi ngi sound better than the way mina ngibona ukuthi better ngakhona. Remember your voice and ukuhlakanipha emusicini, ukukhula mawukhula.
Yeah.
In the Lord and ukhula nawe ufuna uku explore.
Yes.
Ngoba mawukhula uimitator abantu labo babonayo. Une calling but you still imitate whether uSis Rebecca or isonto lelo abumamu emalaba bama IPCC. So my pattern of singing then was more into church thing. Usis lo ngihlangane naye wathi, "Hey Angel, your music is very nice, but ungathi ucishe uya ku IPCC kancane. Why can't you go to ubaba so?" Ngithi labo baba sizwe bathi balala na ma artists. Athi I know lo baba umdala. Ngaba ubaba wakho ngiyamthemba ngoba ngisebenze naye nabo Babs Mlangeni. That lady says that.
Yeah.
Wathi ngiyi-sessionist yezinto zakhe. Go to him. Ngiye ngine confident ukuthi ya lana ngiyakubaba.
Yeah.
Khumbula ukuthi esontweni lethu sikhulele ngiyazi ilife yesonto that time 2008 mangimmeter.
Yeah.
I only know the life of isonto. Lezi ezinye ngizazi. My mind is in sonto. Isonto leli ngingene kulo lithi umntwana womkhethwa.
Okay.
Wanamkhethwa, which is that sonto.
Yeah.
Akajolu uyashado. So we are only exposed to a life of getting married. Not we don't know a life of data yokwenzani sifila ukuthi ubufebe that time. And we are not exposed to it. And asihlangane nomhlaba bathi you can't simengele nabantu basemhlabeni. So I'm taking risk, ngifuna ama opportunity out of a church concern. Ngoba ngibulawa ngidliwa yinto i-calling ukuthi no, family lengikhule kuyo, mama is very shy. Family silabantu laba ngafuna ukwaziwa. Mama will always say, "Angel, my child, tlogela ntho ya music, utlorikenyetsa matlho batho man. Tlogela ntho tsa acting." But i-calling yakuphusha yalidlula i-voice yaka mama. Uzibone uthi no ngizoshawa mangibuya. Let me follow this calling. Hlangane nalo baba, mangifika ngicele office ukuthi ngicela ukubona ubaba Mdluli. Ubaba lo khumbula ukuthi ngikhula ngiyazi igama lakhe esontweni ngoba he's behind our music wesonto laka IPCC then. So ngiyazi igama but angikakamoni ebusweni. Ngiyazi nezinto lezi uthola bazikhuluma ezibhad ngaye ezivele later in life, but ngiyangi confident ukuthi la something will happen ngoba umunye umuntu lo sisi lo unikeza amandla. When I get to this baba ke dumedisitse ka re ke a dumedisa ntate lebiso lakhe ke Sorenso. I've been sent by Sorenso ukuthi ngizokubona ngilathi idemo
yakho. Yes.
But we know ukuthi kune style sokuthi kuthatha ama demo ama artists babeke bangawalaleli, but mina that day wayithatha waya e-studio ngathi miyasebenza ne-IPHC that time, watshela labo mama ukuthi hey kunomntwana la uzile uzonilethela this. Ngithathekile emoyeni wami enhlizweni yami. Utshela this story ngisitshelwa uye after, but how wena mkhonyana uthatheka kanjani uhlala uthatheka nje unabafazi abayi2 yini le kwenza ukuthi uthatheke? Labo mama laba uyani lo waziwayo kakhulu weza wazosiphosisa amanzi. Mina I don't know, uyambulisa uyabuyela utha umntwana wethu lo samazi culele esontweni thina masikhathele uyabamba le, she's good, she's a good girl. Uthi bamtshela kanjalo.
Okay.
And hey ke goba ditho ke motho baba ngilemazwe umuntu, but nami amaphutha wami ukuthi angithathanga isikhathi kumazi, and again nga ignore that voice it no. Ubaba lo wathi isa tomorrow 10 o'clock. That is a positive response.
Studio.
Okay. Wathi ngoba manje ubonile umama lo avelela ngibhizi nange ngabo ngoba ikhwaya elikhulu. I went confident futhi angifuni nokudla manje sengiyathandaza ngithi God finally ngizibona nje ngiculela uNkulunkulu ngiyenza lokho ngikuthandayo in front of abantu babaningi. We dream high. Kanti ngikhuluma amanga baba yonke into izophenduka. uSathane wayiphendula uyazi ngazama ukukhuluma naye hayi find out ama loophole empilweni yami wathi hayi wena ngiyakuthatha wena uyambona ukuthi ngimdala kangakanani angidlali mina angikho mfana washo ngeSuthu ubaba lo akhuluma isizo loqobo lwakhe kodwa akukhuluma nami ngeSuthu.
So might you ukuthatha like ukuthatha ufola under his company or ukuthatha kanjani?
Unthatha konke ngifola under i-polygamy le kwamanje ngizoyirelate as a fake polygamy and sengithatha ngomculo ngiconfused manje. Ungaba mdala ungaba mncane but imona umuntu omdala lo akupressurizeayo in mind angazi ukuthi ngibeka kahle ngesizulu lo above you in the mind. You feel pressured awuzazi nawe ukuthola unenkinga zakho nje you don't find time ukucabanga. You don't have experience kubantu bomhlaba une experience ukukhuluma nabantu basesontweni. Uyazi ukuthi mabakhuluma nawe they'll do things ngesonto. Remember ngihlangana naye January I decided ukuthi ngiyeke isonto kancane with mekunama issues athize lawa sasolvile ukuthi ithi ngimise kancane ngisicabanga. February 2008 I met lo baba. Fine, tomorrow ngeza wamfaka e-studio C2 wavala. Angel today ngilalele umculo wakho kodwa une auto tune. That time I don't even know what is auto tune. Yes, but what is auto tune? I saw him having patient kumbonisa but okuncane lokho ngikubonile ngaye abantu ama-engineer mama mbuzi izinto miyaphela inhliziyo but he had impatience enkulu kumbonisa the difference between i-auto tune ne-voice yakho le ngafakangwa i-auto tune. From that day, I hated this thing by busy auto-tune. Whenever ngiyenza ngirecorda ngithi don't put into le bayibuzayo bayithi auto-tune because izokudisturba moyenza live abantu bazozwa abantu aba-different.
It's a different person.
Yes. Angali ukuthi ingoma your voice must iyakhelelwe ku something but they mustn't put izinto must still sound original. So wambonisa manje wathi that's why ngizokucala phansi sirekhode ingoma or i-album entsha. Wathi no problem tomorrow sizoza ngizoqala ngengoma yi1 ngifake ngoba mana ama joining venture nama company amakhulu kufana neEMI Galo nabo Universal so wathi ngizoyipresenta kubo ngiyathemba mina
ibona breakthrough la
ngiyathemba baba God knows my heart ngoba abantu abaningi umuntu engikhuluma ngaye baba une 60 something years undlula nge20 years so ngiyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi laba emhlabeni kunama negative nama positive abantu bakuzoba laba abacommentayo ngama positives abanye ngama negative why siza ku podcast yakho we believe ukuthi abazalwane they will be kind. I'm here ukuzokhuluma istory sami omunye umuntu alene from zona because akusukuthi abomdluli uye phela baningi so khumbula istory sami before ungena uhlakaniphile ungena uzizwa ukuthi lana ngiyangena I must expect to face izinto zaka angel or not so ngize la kuzoshare someone out there even if kungaba uyi1 I learn from my mistakes and I learn nalobuhlungu lobo ngikubo manje kulomuntu lo adlulile wazodlula wakhosi pain wadlula nakubanye abantu nabafazi laba abenabo that time nalomdala ukhosi pain kubo so I've never seen a life a good kuye but because I was in a situation ngahlala baba so ngize sicedile indaba ye music umbuza imibuzo I'm still stupid to see wazi mawusesontweni sometimes baba ungaphumeli ngaphandle ungaba 40 ungaba 50 ungaba 60 you become ngathi uyislima kumhlaba ubona mawusokhuluma ngabantu basemhlabeni ngoba you were having work clubs usesontweni ubona mawuse unabantu ngaphandle bakumangala izinto eziningi how you respond they feel ukuthi ubuyaphila uzozenza ngcono ngesonto it's because the only language and the only life uyaziyo kusesikolweni uyabuya endlini uya esontweni they don't allow you to mix nomhlaba but the light don't mix with the darkness and mothanda uNkulunkulu you were listening ufollower so mangihlangana naye angibona ukuthi noma ngibuza imibuzo he's searching ukuthi ungena kuphi he's searching ama loopholes ukuthi ngimuwina kanjani lo muntu kodwa uyenza zonke izinto njengekhehla
and lapho wena and futhi awukho ku relationship
angikho ku relationship uyambuza futhi ngiyamtshela ukuthi i relationship ngiyevalile yalesonto esontweni lesikuwe ukushadana la esontweni uyachoose and then kulapho bazothi uzozwa igama lakho libizwa ukuthi iya kubabasi iya kuma office ubabasi bani sebayazi ukuthi leyo office yemishado you don't have no bayakuchoose bakutshela ukuthi hambani ningalalani yenzani ipreparelani sozobuya nisenishada
so yena manje useyakushela la
so uyashela but angiboni baba that time ngizobona ngimangibuza ama question lawo ngathi akana sense today ngoba is saying ngi better in mind now baba Ntate Thabani ambuze uqedile ngemusic ukuthi tomorrow we are starting a project so tell me do you have someone no asangabe naye no why are you driving that car okay ngiyamtshela ukuthi ngibe naye sevale kanje ngikhuluma amaqiniso ngisho ngibona ubaba ubaba wami was there but was there ngegama nebru kuphela he was not ubaba there kubantwana bakhe so ngitshela ubaba lo naye azangabe there for abantwana bakhe mina ngicabanga ukuthi there kubantwana bakhe because you only see isithunzi leso as praise ngazo ukuthi okay this must be a good father
correct
most of the men they are very gentle to abafazi bangaphandle than at home I don't know why so with my experience nalama experience lawa ngimotivate abantu uyabona ukuthi ziyabuya kulomhlaba we are living in the last days baba I still repeat I want people laba balingana nami or bangaphansi to learn from my story even though I have a pain now balene from yona I'm not here ukuthi bazofeel pity for me or bazothini zonke izinto zisesandleni sakaNkulunkulu.
Yeah.
Okay, lo baba lo ushadile angishadanga kuso yes nginomuntu before izinto zasesontweni lezo. Okay, nomntwana no, unani no, what is it that you're doing now? Abazali bakhona yes, ifamily yakho ningakhi, banjani abazali bakho? Nami ngokuba neqiniso that time I tell ama differences wasekhaya, ubuhle nobubi. Ngikhohliwe ukuthi everyone have problems kuma families. Ngikhuluma konke. Okay, where are you now? No, ngihlala nomunye umama. Okay, yena uyasearch. Masetha aqeda ngilethe umunye lo umama lo ngihlala naye, uye angilethile that day. Ukukhathi story short ukuthi ngingakhulumi ukuthi ayengilethile. Sibuyele emuva. When I introduced that mother, ngivele ngathi umama ngingafuna ukukhuluma izinto eziningi. Masibuyele emuva uthi sesizobona nakusasa. Ngithi ngiyabonga. Mangibuyela endlini kulo mama, ngithola i-call from yena. Uthi uhambe njani Angel nomama Zala? Ngithi sorry ntate, mama Zala.
Eish.
I said maybe you made a mistake. Ntate wa re ke tsamaile jwang le mang? He said ngithi uhambe njani nomama Zala? Umama Zala nami ngiphendula according to my mind that time. I said I believe umama Zala is like you and me. We are husband and wife, and umama wami. What exactly uyibambe kahle? Ngikhuluma ngeSotho, ngeSpedi, Sotho Tswana umixile konke. And ngathi manje, what are you trying to say ntate? You are trying to say ukuthi mina nawe simfazi what? Yes. Then that was it. Ukushela kwakhe. Ngathi okay, usehambe kahle baba.
Usiyavuma wena inhliziyo yakho lapho.
Ngiyamtshela ukuthi this is not my mother. My mother ukhona njengoba ngikutshela istory, ngihlala naye nje kwamanje according to ama extraction wabantu abadala. Wathi okay, can ucela umama Zala kulahlele eWimpy, akubekele eWimpy tomorrow nje eOakland Park. Ngithi manje what about record? Yathi hey ungajahi, uthole mina ngisho. Ngithi yes baba. Ngitshela umama ngithi nayi inkulumo umama Zala what wow, that's good. Ngathi no mami,
lo mama kamazini ukuthi lo muntu kanjani?
Umonile mina what, that's good. Ngathi no, this baba umdala mami utsho ukuthini, usupporta whatever is saying. What no, angisho nasesontweni ubonile ukuthi umfundisi wethu umdala ku second wife nge46 years. But I want to work, I want my ukuhelp ngemusic than this. What, cool down my child, mtshele ukuthi ngizokubeka le. Akusuma mami, what is it that angayikhuluma right? But ngiyaya ngihlala naye, khumbula ukuthi nginama family differences. Akuna ukuthi ngabuyele emuva, akukho la ngabalekela khona noma ngingathandi into. I'm doing things ngengcondo yoku-advise abantu. Nami kune voice ithi no, angilaleli. Kaningi nokuhlangana nabantu bathi God is speaking. Ngale voice encane. Mangingena kule masonto lawa uvakatsha wamazalwane, you see them ukuthi lalela leyo voice kaNkulunkulu. Ngithi hey, these people that learning uNkulunkulu ngiwakhuluma nini wayangakhulumi nami. Kanti that voice umcabango lo ucabangayo, we believe ukuthi umotivatewe uNkulunkulu. Fine babas, ngiyahamba lo mama lo ndropa lapho. Man dropa ngibheke lo baba ngamehlo wengane no baba. I'm confused. Thandazila kusebenzeki, khule une low self esteem. Mangifika uthi yes, ngizwile izola ngisho konjalo. Ngithi ukuthi unabafazi abayi2 baba. Why manje sofuna wobu3? Wathi lo oqala ukhona sizwane kahle, zanga sizwane ngimthole ngina 21 years. But umama wasendlini ngisemshadweni we customary marriage. Meaning customary marriage, I have a space to sign. Ngiyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi mawukhuluma ngumuntu omdala bathi hayi mabheki imali, mabheki recording deal. It's up to them laba bajajayo. Mina ngizilana to share my story, to teach someone ukuthi angaweli ku the same mistakes lezi ngiwele kuzo. uJehova uyayazi ukuthi mengingabheka ngemali mengiwumuntu lo ngiphile kumali before ngimmitha.
Maybe before we even get there, like ngifuna ukuthola cause nje ubusnarrator nje uzosifikisa lapha. Yini le wena ekwenza usuthi yes kule nto ayishoyo?
Yes, kulapho baba ngiyeza khona ukuthi ngizoza la ngithi yes yami ihambe njani angikhumbuli ngithi yes but through talking kuye yes ngoba mangitshela ukuthi lokho ukufilayo yes uthando. Angitshele ukuthi umfazi obusi2 ukhona cishe yalingana nawe or uyamdlula or kanjani but it's the same similar ama age acishe afana. Wathi uyamfebela ngina 1 year ngingiyayila endlini nabantwana abayi2 naye bamantombazana. The first wife nginabantwana abayi2 babafana. Angithandi ukuba namabantwana ba more than 2 manginomfazi. So dala ngayile ku 1 year. So since uNkulunkulu angilethele wena ngama features wonke lawa ngiwathandayo bengiwafuna lo dala sihlelile akaphumi ngifuna ukumkhipha lesweni yami ngithi yamkhipha kanjani athi what's the use ngisupport umuntu ngingalali naye ngayenzi nix alokho ajola. Manje inhliziyo yami ngithi lo baba lo uzokhipha lo mama lo nabantwana bayapi. Wantshela ukuthi yena lo mama lo umfundisile wamuyisa esikoleni sone catering, he's doing well, she's doing well, she can be able to take care of herself. Ngilalele manje ngiba paralyzed enhlizweni ngiyaswaba manje ukuthi Jehova kanti wena ukuphi? How can you give me a calling unganikeza i-platform? How can you unikeza i-calling? I believe everyone lo azalwe nge-calling, not career, not into yesukela nje. Mawuzalwe nge-calling, I believe you have your own audience already. You have your own abantu laba uNkulunkulu ababekile. Because even now if I can try to say okay, the industry I support as an artist ithi ngiquit. Ngizoquitha ngomlomo mangilala ngibona music. Yes, I understand ukuthi God blessed me noku-actor noku-motivate nani, but music is my first love. Mawulala ubona music, mawuvuka ulala ubona music, wahamba sometimes uphuphe ne-music. Awazi ukuthi ususe kanjani and you are grieving mawuvuka wazi ukuthi I have 9 albums but ngaka be ne breakthrough la ngifuna khona. And then mawuthi uyalalela abanye babe nama breakthrough ngezinto zemilalano nani. So ngibone nje nami ngingahlukani nalabantu laba bathi balala nama producer then, because how can I defend me from that? Ngoba na umuntu ngihlangane naye ubaba sengiyangena kuye. Yes uthi uyashada but ngingena ngelezi indlela lezi sizwelayo ngaphandle. Ngibone i-dignity yami iye phansi. Ngibone the way ngikhuliswe ngakhona umamami nasesontweni kuyinto le ngibone nje ngidisappointed to myself or ngidisappointed uNkulunkulu kakhulu, because into engena kuyo I had no choice that time ukuthi ngabalekela kumama. Like I told you, I didn't have a family support that time the way mina ngibe ngibona ngakhona. So lo baba lo wathi kimi njengoba sonzwile kunjalo umama wesi2 sengizomkhipha kungene wena kulendlu le. I said no. uNkulunkulu wayenza ukuthi anikeze umcabango ukuthi ngithi no. I cannot find a house in a full furniture. What no, your house lay full furniture, ye Italian, or try going in ties. I can't, I know that life, I've lived it.
Yeah.
It's good sometimes to live a life leo exposeka kuzinto esi nice.
Yes.
Lo azayo, ubona imani kungasi nix because you lived that. And most of the time abantu laba banemali they are abusive. But yena ngibhekanga ngalelo lihlo. Because now I have experience, I lived life. Now mangifika uthi uzopho ngithi no. Those are your choices with your wife. Mina I love izinto eziclean ezithu. Wathi manje uzoma ke indlu le yayithengiswe kuzothengela wena. Ngathi but ntate mina angiboni ngikuthanda. ngikhuluma ngeSotho neSpedi
Yeah.
angiboni ngikuthanda ngiyakuzwela ubuhlungu mawukhuluma uthini umama omdala ngoba according to isonto lethu lithi umama omdala ufanele ukuthi naye abe khona mawushelwa lo baba approve sometimes noma angabi khona ubaba angachoose umama kufanele ukuthi kube yena akuchoosela wathi hey it's not esontweni la yes I'm working for you you are whatever or mengisebenzele isonto I was like a son there but now mina ngiyumzulu I operate istabulesi differently indlela right leyo yes make sure ukuthi his voice is bold ngiyakhuluma but nginokusaba at the same time because of a age gap wathi kimi Angel umama omdala ungathoke ngicela ukuthi ke ngimazi phela wathi no you are not gonna know him know her awungeke uzolala naye umazi kanjani umuntu onganathando uzolala naye na no okay what was true I'm not supposed to know because uyahamba I know ukuthi ngathi wamthola na 17 something like that so kuza bani mina
wena manje wena ukhipha lo
it's okay can you bring the photo one day ngimona wathi ngizokulethela manje usho ukuthi nomama wakho naye athi umama emasuka la ngikuyisa kuye but ntate angazi ukuthi ukuhlomogela kini ukuzwela maybe ngesizulu ka ntate ke go hlomogela akibone go go rata my heart go tla go hlomogela explain the pain that the first wife caused you and the pain that the second wife caused you ngizwa ngikuzwela ngikuhlomogela athi awazi wena ule uzalwe izolo ukuhlomogela lokho ukuzwela lokho uthando how serious yes now that's the relationship sengingenile akanilindi ukuthi nokuthi ngichange mind wathi konje unama problems ne lana ngizosolve so thutha la ukhona ngoba uthe uyohlala kahle futhi ngathi iza uzohlala ku studio kunama rooms ku company house kunama rooms outside for artists or for abantu laba bafuna ukubuka I'll reserve one for you ngeke sokole ngikhona say nami ngibona isolution ngipromise ukusolve lokho nalokho usenkingeni wena uthi ufuna umsebenzi uzotshintsha impilo yakho ufuni la uhlala khona yena uzalayo mas imicabango eminingi but kune voice ithi no Angel don't sengikufonela nabo mama abanye nayi into engihlangana nayo bathi angisho awuna family support
yeah I was about to ask that
ngena nje ngoba ngeke ulale estradini ngena nje nokuba nomntwana na umuntu ufuna umntwana nithi nabo mama labo mama laba baseduze but you have no choice
like but advise ukuthi it's fine being in a relationship with him
bayabona ukuthi akufuneki but at the same time ngibalekela kuphi because I have no one no friends to run to I have no family support I had ukuthi ngime so ukubuza lokho abantu bekuNkulunkulu atry ukuthi okay ngoba awuzazi ngiyakhuluma mina kuya ngami lo yomcabango ukuthi no and utry ukuzwa ukuthi ino yami wrong na kanti nabo bazo responda njengaye I had no choice no matter how I ngicabangile I had no choice ngathutha ngizale eroomini uthi manje let's go for HIV test went for HIV test wathi wena ubona ngathi uzothola unegative ngithi yes I know me ukuhamba kwami sifundisile ngivalele le chapter ngicheckile futhi ngiyamonisa ama results and ngithi angijoli I'm still following ipattern yasesontweni kusho ukuthi kuzoba omunye futhi angikhombayo ngoba ipattern yasesontweni ukuthi uyachoose awuna no uyangena so ngathi wena ayu ubona ngathi uzobuya unegative what if ingabuyi nginegative kuthi ukuthi lo was two ngoba lo wokuqala uhlala endlini ze housewife lehlalayo ingakuphuma phumi nje so lo aphuma wacishe umdlula oralengana naye orangaphansi kwakho kanjani ulo manje abhisi so if ngathola wathi yena if angathola I HIV
uzoblame lo
kusokuthi uzoblame lo was two I'm sad now, siya e-Lancet, siyenza ama-tests. Mina I'm confident. Umozazi uyazazi.
Because you know yourself, yeah.
Kubuya kuthi negative. Naye kubuya kuthi negative. Wathi manje ngine trip yokuya ku-golf eMpumalanga. Uhamba nami. Uhamba kanjani nami? Ungavalanga kahle le chapter ngoba as long as umama sasendlini wobusi2 awuvalanga kahle. Wathi before that let's go to my mother eThembisa. Siye kumama wathi mama na umuntu engikutshela ngaye ngithi is a God sent wife. Wazizela nje mina ngisihlalela azange ngiyokumaketha. Mama wahleka wathi hayi umthathe iphacisha afana nathi la endlini. Wangamukela wanjabulela ngahamba. Masahamba wathi khohlwa ngalomuntu ngiyocasha ababodyguard bamkhiphe bheka mina mangithi ngakhuluma manga ngiubaba omdala kanje. Okay. So baba, can I ask you a question? Yes. Why older men choose abantwana abancane? Ngiyababona esontweni choose ama older men. Yini? Wathi hayi mina ngizokhulumela mina ningenza ngifile njengomfana. I can't ask more than that ngoba uyazama ukuthi naye avale ungamthara. Sihambile saya eMpumalanga ku golf. Sesinama test naye usiprepare amsho ukuthi hayi manje uyorola nami ebusuku. Sangena manje eMpumalanga hotel uzohlala igolf. Ebusuku sangalinde ngithi baba phela mawuyenza so ngizoba pregnant. And mina ngifuna umsebenzi lo ngize ngawo kuwo ngifuna ukusebenza izinto ze pregnancy not now.
And still you don't love him.
Still ngiyamzwela ngisamzwela mara singicomfortable ngizama kuba comfortable ngoba untshelile ukuthi ukuzwela lokho okuhlomkhela mo uthanda. So ngiyabona ukuthi I'm still emuva ngesyllabus. So ngiyamukela manje but inhliziyo kusala but ngizama ukuthatha le uthi okay ngiyamhlomkhela but kuna no inside.
Yeah.
Kulamaphutha lawa sewayenzayo akukho ngizaba ngimkhulumela manga ayikho imali le athi ngikuthembisa imali njengoba abantu bathanda ukutsho mababona age difference ukuthi hayi abantwana bamanje bafuna imali. There was no money. Le yangipromise yona nami menganandaba leyo ngoba ngibuya la ngibonile imali ukuthi yini akantholanga ngihamba ngenyawo unithole ngi-up to date ngidriver imoto eyamanje. So akusumuntu lo angithole njengomfazi wobuthi asho ukuthi ngimthole asogola nje kuba bancengela ubona nje la mina ngithole ngi-right nje.
Ukuthi ubu-right ukuthola ungekho nje.
No ngisho ukuthi kuzilungisa nokudriver mengekho right like ukuba right ngoba ngifunana nomsebenzi wokuyenza but mengisase right like mingekho umuntu lo ngidabukele impahla or ngidesperate mikusana ubuncane ubuphethe ngiphusha ngakho ne presentation knowing ukuthi uhlangana nama company owner you present yourself right mangingena also ngingene ngahambe ngenyawo uyayibona. So masifika eMpumalanga ngithi baba ngisoba pregnant mina ngifuna ukusebenza cala. Athi who told you ukuthi when you are pregnant you cannot work? Ngeke ucule ubani akutshele lokho? You still gonna ucule. Ngithi what if ufana nalabo abajikela abantu bababreakise babayeke athi ngithi ngiyindoda ngiyobaba anginasikhathi sokudlala and I told you ukuthi ngiyashada. But don't you think that time sikhule ngalento leyo ukuthi sex before marriage is sin? And there is no scripture that says that. It is sex, is scripture city. Sex is for married people. So, kusho ukuthi if imesikhona ukuphila ngendlela yakaNkulunkulu singanama temptation isex yabantu abashadile. But sikhule ngalento lokuthi sex before marriage is sex is sin. So ngiyamtshela ngale scripture ngoba ngisengilandelela kuphi le sontweni la ngibuya khona. But umntwana wamkhethwa ajoli wanyalwa. So now what manjeli ngeBhayibheli labantu labasontayo mina lana senza izinto zethu zamazulu.
But before you even go there, senile manje le kuMpumalanga and stuff, manje useyabhuka ufuna ukulala nawe khona la. Since wena ukhule ngale nto yasesontweni, useyile yini nekhaya wazenza lezi zinto ezifanelekile
kula ngiza khona ntata wakha kula ngiza khona he now remember I'm following a Zulu pattern le I introduce again ukuthi as much as you come from isonto ngiyazi I think approach kakhulu ngoba ayazi ukuthi ngifundiswe ngepolygamy esontweni leli ngibuya kuyo a man is allowed to marry 7 wives or more as long as your pocket allow. Sometimes it's not about your pocket, it's about ukubonga nje isibongo nje. Just like eBhayibhelini.
Yes.
Fine ebusuku kwenza leso zinto zomoya. Ngiyavuma ngisho ngoba ngichazele ukuthi ubani athi ngeke ucule ma pregnant. Masenze kanjalo I knew ukuthi ngizoba pregnant naye ngimtshela ukuthi ngizoba pregnant. I don't prevent esontweni lethu they don't want those things to prevent. You don't ask always like a sin. So obviously ngihleli ngiyi1 I'm fresh ngizoba pregnant what how ithi mara why ufuna abantwana ngoba uthi una 2 ku first wife boys 2 girls
ku second
why mina ngijahanga kuba nomntwana athi wena uzoba nobani ubani azokwenzisa umntwana. You must allow me ukwenza umntwana unless maybe usofuna ukuzothola umunye umuntu ujole but no kujola kusinto yami that time ngivume ungenile ubaba washuthi bullet bullet yahlala phakathi kwewumbu tomorrow morning uyahamba uya ekudlala igolf in that place mina uyangishiya uthi ngizokubona mase uvuka ngizokubona. Around 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, ngithola icall ibuya kuye. Mama, my second wife is on his way. Uzokulimaza. The way bantshela ngakhona bathi uzela wena special uzokulimaza. That's why ngibonile ukuthi Jehovah. Why? I didn't listen to that voice. Abantu laba bangaziyo kusonto lethu nakancane sonke saziwa ngelevel yethu kunomuntu level yaphansi kunenkomo abathu wakuthatha la wakubeka la sase lapho kusase steps sinabantu abasaziyo kusinalabo abangasazi. So I'm thinking about those bangaziyo ukuthi bazothini ngoba now makusekuza lo kusithiwa azolwa nami is no longer ukuthi ngene ku polygamy it's like ngithathele umuntu indoda.
Yeah.
Already lo sisi lwangithumele kulo baba soyafona Angel what is it that you are doing? This is unlike you. Ngizwa kahle ukuthi uthathele umuntu uthathele abantu indoda. Nginarrate story. What but you were supposed to come back to me uphume kulo baba. Mina minyimaza ngekho njalo. Ngathi you are the one who sent me. Mina I didn't know this is the story. Still sisi azangaspy. Kuba ngathi mina ngize intentionally minge ready ukuzwenza lokho. I didn't have reason baba ukwenza lokho. Bekungasukuthi ngiswele ukudla, mingaswele impahla, mingaswele transport that time. But before iphela imali le ngoba mekunganale ngenayo. That's why I rushed ngifune ama lentosana. Sengiphumile kuma groups umoja na Soweto Gospel Choir namanye. So ukuthi imali leyo ingapheli I wanted ukuthi ngiyenze something. So usisi wamblame i-connection yethu as a colleague she was not my friend yaphelela lapho. Now lo mama lo yesa wathi wafuna baba wathi manje njengoba bathu yesa ngifuna ukuthi aface mina angifuni wena uthelwe igazi ethi baba bathu uthe uhlukane naye how come umuntu azozazolwa nami athi yekela lokho mama man ngena emotweni phuma lapho ehotel whether ukuzilora kugeza thatha ibag lakho ushiye lami ngena emotweni uzothola imoto ngiorganizele la eminyango ngena bakubalekise you'll be fine.
Yo
ngingena kumoto ngibuza lo baba yini uthi hayi nami ngithume ukuthi ngizokuthatha angazi nix ngikubalekise ngoba umuntu uyesa uzoku-attack kanti kwenze njani wena kwenze njani mawuzala ngiyanarrate wathi hayi lo baba lo ngathi usile naye yini lento ngathi untshele so ukuthi bahlukene bana 1 year angayi futhi amele yena ukuthi aphume. Wathi ayusile lo baba, wambalekisa lo bhuti lo. Masiphuma egedini nawo ubaba usisi ngemoto wabona wasigijimisa, naye kunalabantu abama-updateayo lapho, wasigijimisa. Masigijimisa ngeke ugijimisa indoda e-advanced ku driving. Wahamba ke baba wamfaka ku usisi akasasiboni manje uyajika ukuthi balwe kanjani. I didn't want even to know, but ngaqala ukureceive ama-SMS that night. Hey wena Sefebedenang, what you know when a woman is bitter. I wish one day baba uNkulunkulu ngathi angayenza abafazi ukuthi bahlangane bafunelane ngomoya oright makuna situation anje. Akekho umuntu ongafika azothatha umuntu omdala umcalaphi. Yes, kunabafazi laba basile but basebenzisa mithi ini, but sometimes umfazi osihloniphayo, call, let's meet. Naloyo ajolayo or athandana naloyo, if kumfazi osihloniphayo sahlangana kwenze njani. Look istory unjele kanjani, yena ushoyo ukuthi ngimthathele indoda. Uthukana nami. I didn't see any reason ukuthi ngithukane back, because now I'm starting to see my faults now ukuthi okay, I'm at fault. How do I respond to this? Sengiyayeka kunjalo. Ngithuka ngiyafunda, and then now what was 29 so ujelulo waqala ukubuka ifoni yakababa ukuthi sithumela nani. Thatha lama message wathumela ku phone yakhe, wathumela ku phone yami. Thatha ama message wakababa ku awami wathumela ku phone yakhe, from phone yakhe azakimi. Akakhulumi bela thumela. So one time masahamba sibona this thing, ngibona ama message ayangena lawa ngithumele lo baba. Ngithi baba, I sent you messages, were you forwarding our messages to someone? What? No. Wathi sheka, wathi ya inamba kamama omdala. Mahlala njalo manganathando angafuni isithembu, mina ngiyenzeni? I move on ngoba sengikhathele Angel ukujola. Wathi mingijola akekho umhlobo lo ngajolanga ngawo, but ngibone ama friends ashona ngabo 8 ashona ngani. Ngathi no, now is time ukuthi ngithathe ipoligamy to avoid into leyo ukuthi ngimhluphe ngilokho ngijola. Khulume naye wathi angisifuni lezo zinto, so mahlala njalo ngoba kanathando. Uzokhuluma uthini baba? Uthatha ama points nje ukuthi God, if this man can do this kulamadoda kulabafazi, what about me? Makhona ukukhipha umfazi wobusithu ngabantwana abancane abayi2. I remember ngathi umunye ma 10 or 9, I just don't know, but according to the way ngibengizwa ngakhona they were young.
I also want you to help our people elapha emakhaya. After that night balekisa bayokufihla somewhere, and uyazizwa lapho na ukuthi mhlambe sewubambile futhi.
It's a overnight.
Oh, it was an overnight.
But
okay.
I was very much convinced ukuthi ngizoba pregnant. Leyo menyazi ukuthi there's no way. And naye ukhumbule ukuthi masiya le eMpumalanga uphethe amabhodlela wekhoko anemithi, sinokwabona estradeni eJoburg masiya anemithi uyaphuza. Ngithi what is this this dirty thing inside the bottle? What? No, this is not a dirty thing. It's ngesizulu imbiza.
Oh,
it's imbiza yini baba? Uyahleka ukuthi this thing saseslimanyana, I'm sure, because we don't know those things. Thina anything sibona ebhodleleni according to isonto lethu imithi yekuloya yini. So we explain ukuthi le iklina wonke amaphathi wendoda konke. Ithe mighty month end ngiyabona ukuthi manje pregnant. Ngithi I didn't get my periods. But thank you, ngiyazile ukuthi uzoba pregnant. But pregnant before ushada, do you think is the right thing? Why ngiyenze kanjalo? Angifuni ukuthi ngiwaste imali yami ngishade umuntu ongazali. That's why ngibona ngiphuza le bhodlela leli. Mawuliphuzile licleaner every party, mawungena kumfazi awumisi nix, uyahlala umntwana. Hawu ndade, mawuphuzele ibhodlela leli uyahleka. Now angimonisi ukuthi I don't want, ngoba ngingenile ngizwe ngilose dignity. Indaba yagcwala na ku-industry ukuthi hawu umdluli manje sebathu busy ngomfazi omunye ucosha lawyer. Kuma media umfazi utry kuya kuma media athi uyabatshela kuphi, ngoba yena uthi uhlabelwe ngokuthi asabe, kuumuntu othanda inyanga kakhulu. Since ngimfika ngimbona yonke into ugijimela kunyanga. He can take 20,000 rand ayise kunyanga aniyeke nishota ngento athi this 20,000 izobuza imali yokuthi siphile kahle. Now ngiyamtshela ukuthi ngeke ngizozalela la endlini la kuma room. I want someone athi ngitsho ufuna indlu. Ngithi uthi ngeke mela ithengiswe, ngithi no, it's better ngeke ku townhouse while you are selling that house. Mina ngeke ngingene. Angitshela ukuthi ngihambe nomunye ubaba ushaya ama brass band ngiyoyenza. Mayangahambi nami ngoba uyabona ukuthi into ayenza wrong, udliwa amahloni. Unithumela nabantu ukuthi hambani noyenza nifuna nema townhouse. We went as far as Basonia and safuna townhouse, but payslip ngiyakuye unikeze payslip. Banitshela ukuthi payslip bacheka iPrairie Bureau uqala.
Yeah.
Maba cheka Prairie Bureau bathi hayi girl abelungu, we won't take this man ubaba wakho. According to them, we won't take ubaba wakho ubaba lo ukuthi akwenzele townhouse. Why? I desperately need a place to stay. Very soon I'll be giving birth. I'm pregnant. It's early days. But hey, this man is credit bureau 3 million.
Sure.
I called. Those things zonke ngiyaregret mangizwa all these negative things because yena unginikeze iview yokuthi uyasikhona akukho into akangithembisa ngemali akakhuluma ngemali but uthe manginesithembu kusho ukuthi ngiyasikhona. Ngiyamfonela, they say they can't give us this, you are incredible with 3 million. Hayi izinto lezi mama zokurenta mina ngizazi man ngoba ngihlala endlini asanga ngirent. So kwaba ukuthi now ngikhuluma nabantu laba ukuthi how can you help me? Mina I'm an artist. I don't have payslip. I've been freelancing. Wathi okay ngisengizokuzama in one condition ukuthi abhadale double deposit. Bhadale double deposit sangena basinikeza imali sathenga just cheap stuff ukuthi kube sibe.
Yeah.
Now so uyakuphi labafazi mabakhuluma lawyer somkhiphile manje ngiyantshela ukuthi sengimkhiphile ngithe bamgada angathatha izinto zamashiye nale moto. Imagine baba ushiya nemoto why ke baba iminyaka ingaka more than 10 years why ungamnikeza imoto ahambe but I can't talk.
Yeah.
I fear this man but angimonise ebusweni in my heart is grieving ukuthi Angel, what is this? Le voice le bethi no angilalelanga ngiyapi ngesisu. So uqala ukunithuma ekhaya ukuthi ya kumama nobaba wakho batshela ukuthi ngifuna ikhiphi lobola. The reason why ngibe ngikuprekisa ngifuna ukubona ukuthi uyazala masigijime ekakabonakala pregnancy ngikhona ukubhadala ukuthi bangazonitshaje imali eningi. Ya kumama umtshele. I went. Ama problems wethu kungathi ama problems lawo we physical lawo ngawubona ukuthi asikhulumisane no. It was something ngeke uyibone. So I went home, I drove home, angifika mami indaba zami nazi mina I'm pregnant. Ngitshela amaqiniso wonke. How old is that person? He's 20 years older than me. What? No, I don't want that. Usile lo baba. Ngibona sile. The little that you are telling me usile.
Uyabona ukuthi pregnant?
Mama, it's like the way akaboni angisho into ukuthi ngijampe.
Oh yes.
It's still a first week. So before that we went to a doctor to confirm. Masifika ku family doctor kunabusisi reception. Kunokuthi abatshele ukuthi ngilethe umama wasekhaya njengoba athi uyanithatha as customary marriage. Uyafika uthi hayi busisi ninjani? uwazi ukuthi bayazi first wife ne second wife ninjani ningamangale ngize ne-artist la niyazi ukuthi lama artist ayalalana la ngaphandle so now nalo sa recorder busy studio ulokho athi afuna ukuhlanza awiki ukudla uthi kumnukela njani ngithi nimcheckeni nize nicheck ama pregnancy oh god ntate Mdluli I didn't talk akangazi ngikhuluma uwazi yes abafazi sakhuluma but now I'm talking ngingacabanga ukuthi ngashare this story this time but ngishare because of my baby.
We'll go straight there.
Sizoya lapho baba.
Yeah.
Ngisafuna ukuthi bazi ngoba I don't want laba zothi ubaba Thabani manje masakhuluma ngomntwana maphi impilo yakhe menjani nalo baba. That's why ngimake sure ukuthi I narrate a story from eqaleni bayibone impilo engibe ngiphilayo ngayivala and then now seyivulekile. Remember the first wife according to abantu laba bazakimi she's in pain. Second wife she's in pain now because she's trying to navigate.
Sure.
Uyayithola ku life. Now it's me. Ngiyale ngidliwa isithunzi ngidliwa dihlong amahloni manje ngoba singipresentwe ngendlela ukuthi ngi-artist ngiceda ukufika kuye ngiyalalana badisturbekile mase record angimuzi umake sure ukuthi now sewuqala ukuchinja ngisho ipregnancy ihleli umake sure ukuthi now angithathi why ini akasa answer manje ngoba uthole lokho abafuna ukukwenza which is ngiyenza pregnant ukuthi alaye laba akusuka ukuthi ngiyandithanda according to me ulaya laba abayithu ngami because uthe makhuluma nabo uthi mabacala bathi bayarasa ngithi ni lady uAngel is expecting ish. Okay baba kwaba ukuthi ngena ku doctor bangitshela kanjalo ngiyaphuma manje ku doctor sebangitshela ukuthi ngipregnant ngiyaphuma ngithi bathi ngipregnant athi good baba usicala ukunishiya endlini isikhathi esiningi agezi uza Friday uhamba Sunday akasho ukuthi wayahamba Sunday ngithi baba ngiyabhoreka ngiyi1 kanti ipholikama uhlala iviki ngapha or a month ngapha wathi usasemusha kule relationship ngifuna ukuthi bakujwayele ukuthi ukhona ngizoyenza lokho later wena ungathi uyabhoreka umntwana uyeza so ngitshela umama manje ngibuyela ngibamba lena le ngoba istories ziningi and try to cut them short kuba ukuthi manje ngiyangumama umama athi the way my baby ungitshela ngakhona ngalo baba lo angimfuni hlala ngengane yami usile umuntu lo umuntu wabantu abanye mntanami usile I don't know ukuthi wena uzoyenza kanjani ngitshele ukuthi answer ngizovala igate zami ngeke ngene la angifuni lobola yakhe azange amangale because ubonile ukuthi I don't have a family support at that time so ngisele ngaye phela as a family wathi kimi don't worry ubaba wakho kuphi ubaba wami uhlala eJemiston hayi ubaba naye ngiyamtshela ukuthi ubaba nje ngomlomo wathi good shot fonela ubaba mangifonela ubaba wathi ngithi baba uthi mtshele ukuthi kukhona umuntu ofuna ukukhipha lobola baba wami ubaba lo ungathi mikuyistako mara kungasistako mazwa ngemali uvele athi hayi wathi mtshele mntanami akhiphe 16,000 how okay bari keep at 16,000 athi mtshele uthi 16,000 ngiyayikhona ngizokhona 13,000 wathi nayo right mntanami nini wathi mtshele ukuthi uyamlanda manje ngamlanda ngammeka esofeni ku townhouse yena walanda umngane umuntu nje actually strategy busy hlala naye wantshela ama instruction tshela le ndoda leyo ngiyilethile inikeza umama wami ubaba wakho i13,000 thatha iphepha sayina bhala ukuthi baba noko uthathe 13,000 from bani ngabhala then wathi kuphelile tshela le ndoda iphumeze emotweni yaza emotweni that is lobola
yo
ngicala ukuthuka manje ucala ukukhipha ama true colors that is second month now mekuMarch mangiba pregnant second month usho ukuthi ngithwele sengiyamtshela ukuthi ngiyabona ukuthi manje soqala kuba road ngiyakumngani wakhe umunyazana naye lo athi ngithenga ama furniture nginaye ngiyakuye ngiyagogoda ngimthola nomfazi wakhe ngicela ukuthi nintsheleni ukuthi lo baba lo umuntu onjani ngihlangane naye kuso so uyachinja mangikhuluma nani so ngi-pregnant 1 month is 2 weeks bathi wenza imistake lo baba lo sile mufanele ukuthi amathu yakuthanda mayeke nalo mdala mafuku ukuthi yakuthanda usile khosela abantu ipain nendoda yami ku music ini bakhuluma izitori eziningi lezi bengazazi bangitshele konke ngithi manje mathu wabusithu ujolile wenzeni wathi kahle futhi akanani inhlonipho akanani bathi le ntombazane is right uchinchele isituation le so ayikho ngeke sithi samsola uyabona so kwaba ukuthi manje ngiyaregreta mangisuka lapho ngiya straight home affairs to know ngoba ngitshela ukuthi ku customary marriage to know ama differences between ama advantages and disadvantages of signing ku polygamy because angisafuni ukuzibopha manje sengiyaku home affairs. I'm coming here to understand the advantage and disadvantage but hey amadoda manje anamanga banokuza abafazi bathi bazochecka bathole ukuthi bashadile ku the thing bashade in community of property. Sicela ukuthi singakumoshela isikhathi sinikeze i-ID yalo muntu mangibanikeza ID bathi hey bajikisa screen sithi married in 1992 in community of property bathi sisi awuna space sokusign totally wena kuphelile ngawe ngathi phathi unikeze ubaba imali bathi hayi ukuthi unikeze ubaba imali akusho ukuthi nix imali ye drink leyo ngathi phathi umthetho maybe ngizwe bathi uthi mohleli nomuntu 6 months wathi uapply kumuntu lo angekho ku marriage we civil onje wona unikeze imali imali ye drink leyo ungayithatha ungathi ilobola maybe ngesinto asazi but I see consider leyo udlala ngani ngathi but he had umfazi wesithu bathi kusho ukuthi naye mayadlala ngawe nje so angisendleleni I called baba Mdluli I went to home affairs to want to understand what is polygamy ukuthi ngasosayinela into engaze understand ngoba unjele ukuthi siku customary marriage meaning I have a space to sign so ngifune ukuthi ngiunderstand ecala before wena ngelanga lakho to so sign wathi kimi ngathi ngithole ukuthi ushade in community of property wavele wa raise voice wena uyakuphenya izinto zami kuwathi kusho ukuthi believer I home affairs mina nginje ngithi ngishade ku customary une space waqala ukushawutha manje qala ukuthula ngayazi ukuthi ngizohamba ngamtshela ukuthi ngiyasola ukuthi why ngivume ukuthi ungiyenze pregnant.
And at that time, how many months much pregnant?
Ngihambela 5.
Okay.
Ngathi ngiyasola wathi mawusola ukhuluma ngesuthu sazi perfect. Wathi mawusola hamba uyokhipha leyo pregnancy uthi mina ngiyawara. That day I answered ukuthi ntate this child I'll keep him but I will tell him Makhula ukuthi ngikukhiphile I chose to keep you. I didn't want to abort you because ubaba wakho nathi wathi the day ngihlukana nawe mina mangihlukane nomuntu ngimhate ngepassion. Just said yes because I'm not taught ukuthi ngi-answer umuntu kabi. It's not my age and ngithembe yena uzongikhipha ku roof anytime njengoba athi nalo mdala ngithi manje what if uyaphuma uyakushiya athi ngeke uzoyaphi usokolila kana nix uphila kamnandi ku estate so uzoyaphi uzobubula lokho ayenza around lo wesithu it looks like umfazi wesithu kumuntu ohlakaniphile uNkulunkulu amnikeze ukuhlakanipha ngathi wahlanganisa izinto zakhe wabhopha waba right nabantwana the way ngizwa ngakhona so lo ufila ubaba Mdluli ufila ukuthi ubhophe ngoba miyamnikeza imali eningi wakha kibo wayenzani akafili ukuthi ubhophe enye into uthi ubhophe ngokuthi unama boyfriend wama Nigeria. That is umona lo khona but mina ngithi ukubhopha kwakhe ngizwe ngimongela enhlizweni yami ngoba ngicabanga labantwana ukuthi uyenze kanjani ukuthi abhophe the fact ukuthi wenze labantwana bakhe. Fine ngithatha ama notes yonke ubuhlungu abukhosa kubantu nami nama artists nawo aqala ukuza kimi lo baba lo awugcokile they think ugcoka imali yakhe mina mengisafarele ukuthi imali ngeke anikeze uthi I don't want to give you imali extra ngoba nawe uzothi mawuphuma uphume upope njengaloya ngemali yami so whatever kuthuma yona ne1 rand uyithatha back remember these two women they think I'm living good because ngize nginempahla zami ngize nepresentation ukuthi ngisagcoka izinto zami so they think nolokugcoka lokho imali yakhe noma uya kumamazala bakudopa from pants to phezulu they think imali yakhe kwathi mina izinto zami zama past so ngicontinue kanjalo until kufika la kufanele ukuthi ngizale umntwana mangizozala umntwana ngithi baba pay private hospital ngibona ungasho nix ngehospital private you bonke labafazi bami bazalelwe egovernment why you ngathi mina I want private I'm not labafazi what okay ngizobhadala ke wabhala icheck efake wanikeza yona I didn't know ukuthi fake bhala leyo price at that time went to Clinton Hospital ngabanikeza sebaya processa izinto nami ngiyangena ku theater ngoba umntwana omkhulu mangifika le bayaza bathi hey this is a fake check ibouncile that is not me ibhalile but ngitshela azo sign wathi mina ngisi uzontshela umntwana masasa khona but manje ungeke uye ku theater ungasayinanga I signed wathi batshele ukuthi bazoyithola kusasa leyo mali bangiyisa ngehope ukuthi bazothola imali mali azange bayithole umntwana uzalile ama pediatrician azile ibili yaphayila lapha bayisa mina credit bureau
sure
namhlanje azange ayibhadala umntwana makhula uzobhadala icrash 1 month wonke ama month bazomxosha mabathi bakhuluma naye abantu basesikoleni niyazi ukuthi nikhuluma nobani niyantelela ne azantshela athi uyabona le ikole lezi usifaka umntwana mina ngisithandi abami ngibafake good Eden Valley High School azange ngibhadale nix ngibhadale first month bayagolota but babanikeza ama report baze baphuma ku matric babanikeza banganihluphi ngikolodo so le ikolo zakho lezi unless thathe lo mntwana uyomlahlela ngale ngathi no yami kube ukuthi kuyabheda khumbula manje sengiba stressed lo baba lo mahamba nathi unalento lokuthi if angathola ikhole kumama umdala if sihamba ehighway usiya lapho ehighway uthi imani la ikhona nizobuya nginilanda na umuntu uthi igarage yenzani ngiyabuya
but before sifike emntaneni ufuna ukuthola la ukuthi usumzalile umntana waphuma lapha esibhedlela who's taking care of umntana
yimi ngoba sona unama on and off yena ukade ini I don't know ukuthi nibiza yini umbilical cord ukade umbilical cord ukuthi hey girl this is your first child check out this thing mayiwa uyibeke eside ngiyayifuna uzothi no awuna family support awunamuntu nami ngiyayithatha mayilokho ihlubeka ngiyayithatha ngibeka into teaching ngiyamnikeza that day ngihleli nomntwana all this life but ngifila ungathi ucontrol omunye umuntu somewhere
kodwa nawe
lo mntwana noma amncane mangabona lo baba akafuna umama amtouch till manje mangihlukane naye 2023 lo mntwana mabona nje lo baba akasamfuni mahambile uzongifuna after 15 minutes laba baziyo bathi wena uhleli negogoko nje I didn't understand. That's when now I started standing up. Ngafuna isonto ngoba sengiyekelela ngithi Jehova point me any sonto le ngibangayuzi umuthi ngoba ngojwayelanga umuthi ubaba lo nje ngoba aza nemithi ageza ngayo khumbula ukuthi the reason why ngingahambi kube nala ngithi ngiyahamba mangise ngibona athi ngiyoabort umntwana ngithi mina baba ngiyahamba nalamanga lawo ntshele wona ngiyahamba wancenga ungahambi laba abayithu bafuna ukuthi uhambe ngiyabuya ngiyayinyangeni uye enyangeni mabuya ngithi uthini ngaka earring wathi haya ngifuna ukutshela ngelinye ilanga uzontshela zona wena relax ngisayogeza ngiyenza njengoba inyanga intshelile ugezile wabuya wacima ilight wasigcobisa yonke amaphathi wakhe wathiza embedeni from that day ngithukhulume nje ukuthi ngiyahamba ngilokho kuma round I don't know ukuthi yini lento lesrebitsa sekateledi. It's like kunento eqinisela ufuna ukuvuka but ufuna ukuhamba but kunento ithi manje azangasama into uvela athi hamba wena uhambi kunento uyabona ukuthi I'm no longer operating according to God's will. I'm operating under something but I was and I have no one to talk to. Ngijoyina lamasonto mangifika bayamprofessor ukuthi you have a wrong partner. Mababonange that time ujoyine lisonto naye athi izinto zami zabunyanga asisasebenzi manje lezi zinto zabunyanga. What do you think? Ngoba mangiya kule inyanga lezi zithi hamba uyobuza lo mfazi lo mncane lo umthathile manje. Sure. Ubiziwe. Mina I don't know ukuthi kubizwa yini. We went to maza ngithi mina I don't understand what they're saying. Mina ngithola isonto ngiyakulo. Maybe you can just join me because but kunento bathi deliverance. You'll get that. Ngibone ama testimony bathi bayaphumelela ba deliverance wanlandela. So the day angekho bantshela ukuthi sibona uNkulunkulu akubonisa asibonisa ukuthi ushatane nomuntu wrong, uthandana nomuntu wrong. And this man, God sent you to this man to change your life. Akurecord ube right but yena he took advantage of you. Thina siyabazalwane as we are not allowed ukuthi sihlukanise abantu. Hlala mntanami. uNkulunkulu uzokuhlukanisa naye peacefully.
Ngenxa isikhathi sethu ngizokubuyisela emuva nje kancane. Nagcina nirecordile na kodwa.
I-album sirecordile but yabekwa. Sewonsebenzisa as a PA. Yama artist now. Wamaskandi, wonke le genre i-gospel wonke umuntu oyazi manje I'm like a PR. Athi isilungunyana sakho singcononyana kudlula mina. Bhala ama-biography wabo and then go to ama radios now, SABC and communities. I'll take them with a car there and nami mengisqueeza la ngikhona ukusqueeza khona la nganisqueeze mengakhoni. So nthuma anikeze ijojo. Ngiyazi ukuthi mangifika kuKwekwezi nginikeza abantu ujojo siyangena siya kuma top what but mina ngiyambekela le imuva. Ngizoya naye kuma concert well known artists. Zicula ngizibheke so ngithi ngizongena kuzongena i10 yami nix ngizoya ngigcokile ngi-up to date angamfaki mangithi ngiyabuza ayuthanda ukukhuluma wena uthanda ukukhuluma. That is a common thing kuma relationship. Women they voice out, men they don't voice out, and when you voice out kuba ungathi abafazi sikhuluma too much. That's why kufika isikhathi la umfazi athula khona mathula angasanaki hlala uwazi ukuthi sohambile lo mfazi kushoda nje ukuthi azobhaka amabheke manje kube nesikhathi sokuthi ahambe. Wathula there is no turning back. Indoda ingaphuma manje ye somewhere ithi decidile ayisakufuni but uyakhona ukubuya. Umfazi takes time yakhe ukuthi ahambe usanikeza i-relationship chance. Mangathi uyahamba angeke abuyele emuva umfazi never. Because uthatha isikhathi sakhe eside mangena kula masonto bathi now i-album irecordile ayindawo ikhaliswa lapho nalapho mabona ukuthi manje usede kakhulu uzokufaka kuSoweto Gospel Choir video nyana encane yokungathi nix but upromote laba. Now umam the leader of IPCC uphumile naye so uyangena naye bahlukene ushone balwile akekho umuntu happy but they find themselves ukuthi babuye kuye ngoba uyazi ukuthi yena usebenzisana. Umntwana wathi mazalile wangasalali manje 12 o'clock ebusuku umntwana uyachinja manje uyabona ukuthi kunobuthakathi ngaphakathi according to the way ngenza ngakhona. Mongathi for 3 years ngiku night shift emini uyalala akuna problem 12 o'clock ebusuku simile nje. Wangithatha wathi mase enyangeni ngithi no wathi ungasantsheli ke ngumntwana ukuthi ebusuku wenza njani. I remember when he was 1 month waphuma amazinyo umntwana but we didn't know ukuthi amazinyo. In one day first week mangimzalile ulele esibhedlela ashisa bantshela ukuthi shiya lo mntwana lana ngiye esibhedlela ngi1 yena uya kuphi eMozambique enyangeni for his businesses. I'm always alone now kasancengi ngoba ngisho umbambile and uyazi ukuthi angina family support
but uyamsupport umntana lapho kodwa
ngama on and off ngoba umthola ngananix phela uyancenga empilweni akasase right because I learned later nokuthi ilentuzana bathi imali yelobola uyithathe ku credit card kwaba ukuthi manje baba ngiyazwela manje ukuthi nezimoto zakamama umdala zithathiwe ukushuthi mekuyi bank kula ngibone khona ukuthi le 3 million le ngitshelo ngaye kuyapi kusho ukuthi misazongezeka ngoba neyakhe later imoto yathathwa so kwaba ukuthi baba manje umntwana lala esibhedlela uyenyangeni ngi1 no family support sicina sijoyina le sonto yabazalwane lapho then asekho kuyo manje so masengena uyeza uthi hayi izinto zami ziyabheda bangithumelela kuwe ngithi mina ngiye esontweni iya bathe kummona nje baqala ukuprofessor ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthi kodwa hlala uNkulunkulu uzokukhipha angihleli bathu uzongikhipha fine ngihleli kaningi mangalile kuumuntu okungala you believe it or you don't believe it baba sizosuka la siya eMauritius umuntu wamamutsi I hate a man with mutsi na today angisho ukuthi sihlala si right all the time but khuluma ukuthi uphethweni ngiyazi ukuthi noma una intention enyana kukhona into ekuhluphayo then ube nemamutsi mawuna mamutsi phela sikhona nokuthandaza uthandaza uthini mangena sesiyasaba iremote wayiphatha ukhona akhona uzokutshela ukuthi ubaba lana mafikile ufanele uthi alide iremote mawuzobamba iremote ngizohamba ngiyokumamkhulu ngizogcoka manje ngihambe mangafika uthola ukuthi nginawe maybe mova kashile a lady uzokubiza ekamereni lo muntu lo uyahamba ukuhamba mina just a visitor and I have to go and say sorry go Friday uhamba Sunday muts uthe mangibona ukuthi lana lo baba lo angeka lungi sahamba lana saye Mauritius amudi saza sabuya amudi masihamba se Mauritius ngiyambuza ukuthi don't you think it's better uhambe nomfazi wokucala makuvela another trip I'll go wathi hey khohlwa ngalokho ngimtshelile ukuthi uzohamba nami ku next trip only to find ukuthi utshela umfazi omdala ukuthi yena uya eDurban mina manje masiku flight as usual ama artists abafazi sithande angazi ukuthi yini but we just have that common thing ku flight I took a picture said mangayibhala ngayifaka ku Facebook Mauritius here I come kanti they monitor me this too and lawyer kakhulu obusithu ngoba is a youth why wathathe ipicture wathi hey uhleli lapho wena umdala umfazi intombazane ihamba ye Mauritius nendoda yakho lo mfazi lo yawa record voicemail wena sibani bani ummiza ngigama ngeke ngiyazi iDurban iMauritius iDurban ngiyazi ukuthi ngikudlisa amahloni you will never ngiyabona ukuthi I will never be a wife le uzoshayina ngayo uhambe ngayo wamuyeka kanjalo masibuya uqala ukukhuluma la opportunity awuncheckela ama message lapho if kuna wa important untshele ngikhona ukukutshela ukuthi uthini kubo mangivula kanti uNkulunkulu ufuna ukuthi ngizwe le message ngibona imessage ibhala igama lomfazi ngiyalayitha ngizwa lezo zinto ngithi baba kanti wena utshelanga umama ukuthi uyahamba nami ngoba ukhuluma ngeDurban la manje mina basazonithuka futhi wathi wena mawupostelane this thing ku Facebook zikhona mengithi mangiya kuma radio I remember one time I went to radio pulpit ngoba i-community is easy to organize than ama SBC ngiye mangiya lenyenza i-interview with the lady DJ yalapho kanti umfazi wesithu uorganize ne DJ ukuthi mom interview ngale album yakhe vulela abalaleli ngikhona ukungena ngimu expose but God knew my heart exposing yakhe kwaba ungathakazanga kuzwakale nix ngiyakhuluma ngealbum ngize ngealbum entsha hi DJ hey mina ngobani banike album yami entsha that time I think it was album number 2 or 3 eyini ingoma esimnandi uyamthanda uNkulunkulu angel kakhulu and ngiyele ngekho yi1 ngiyene one of the celebrities in South Africa nomamakhe sihlelile they believe in me siye together mangihlelile wathi hayi ngoba imnandi album masizwa abalaleli ukuthi since ngidlale yi1 bathini ba-organize ukuthi abalaleli bangabi khona, kube umlaleli kube yena phela. I believe ukuthi if mebangayi-arrangeanga, mawuzwa umuntu afona akhuluma izinto ezi-out, upress i-button. Hayi baba ubhuti wayeka
bamyeka wakhuluma
athi hello sisi kunjani, wakhuluma isiZulu le nami that time isiZulu I was not ngingasazi kahle ngathi hayi ke right me wari wamthanda uNkulunkulu. Yebo ngiyamthanda uNkulunkulu kakhulu. Hey album yakho emnandi sis Angel, kodwa mawuthi uthanda uNkulunkulu sifebe. Wakhuluma wanthuka, hey unithathela indoda ini wamuyeka ivulekile lama microphone ama listeners, wakhuluma isisi wabhodla lo muntu lo aziwayo nomama wakhe lo ngize naye bambheka emehlweni ukuthi this is unlike you Angel. Nami manje inhliziyo ithi isithunzi siyaphansi manje. I felt ukuthi manje I failed to live life right.
Due to our time, I want to ask you this one more question. As you busy narrating the story, it's obvious to our viewers that these are things of the past. Kufike njani la ke senihlukana khona, because ngizothanda ukuthi ke futhi singene into details of umntwana wakho ke manje. Yes, but kufike njani la senihlukana khona? What was your contribution in terms of ukuhlukana kwakho naye, and yena futhi what was his contribution ekuhlukaneni kwakho naye?
Remember lo baba lo ngasho ukuthi mingihlukane naye kudala ngoba umvakashi empilweni yethu uza Friday uhamba Sunday. And kumuntu lo mase kumamuthi akazi nokuza. I have to ngimfonele adrope, ngithenga ama sim card amaningi, ngiya recharge nge5 ngimncenge ngoba ngifuna ibisi lomntwana. Khumbula ukuthi sesathutha townhouse uzobhadala kayi1, the rest of the months akabhadali, the rest of the years akabhadali. Siyathutha sibalekela kwenye ukuthi lo yangasiboni, sihlala 1 month ubhadala 1 month, the rest of the month akabhadali. So ngifuna umntwana njengoba aphuma esibhedlela akasabamstopa okuncane nawo ukuthi njengoba usimstopa uphuma amazinyo nawo ngema 1 month, but give mesingazi that time mama mkhipha, that's the day I keep amazinyo already mebasebenza breastfeeding, but mnikeze special milk lactose free yadura. Ngiyamfuna ukuthi azothenga dark or blue, I have to ngimncenge. So he had ukuthi ngimncenge ngithenga ama sim card amaningi, I'll recharge with 5 rand ngimfonela ngoba akayazi ngeke drop. Baba ngikwenzeni, I'm sorry ne, khama uzomfundisa kuba mfazi right, I'm sorry ne, I love you ne, buya sengiyenzela lo mntwana. Mabuyile I have to pretend ungathi ngi right ngoba ngifuna lo mntwana abe right. Ngiyazi ukuthi noma abuya ngikho wrong. One time ngabhuka lentuzana marriage counselor, ngathi njengoba uhlala unisola ngazi ukuthi ngihlusola ngani, how about marriage counselor isincedisa? Wathi wazi ukuthi mina ngijwayela wabantu, mina into yenza uzoyimela, uzobuya ukhala la. Ufuna ukungazi ukuthi mina ngijwayela abantu bayahleba ngami, bathi mabahleba mawufika mina kuzophuma uwanathi baba Mdluli mebahleba ngawe. Ngitshelwa yonke into ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi mina ne-business partner nami siyenzeni enyangeni. Akekho umuntu anganihleba, akekho umuntu lo angeke athathe iside lami. So ufuna ukubona ngikubonisa i-example, buka lo muntu lo ngamazi i-marriage counselor, mtshele konke lokho ngikuhlupha ngayo. Siye kusasa uzobona, uzobuya ukhala kuwe kusolwa wena. We went there, ngibukhe umuntu ngamtshela ngathi lo baba ukhuluma kanje, wathi mina nginceku yakaNkulunkulu, mina angithuswa amadimona, we gonna pray. Thana zathi maze ngizomfeza uMdluli. The maze ofikile wambamba ngesandla, kunjani baba? Wambuka kanje. Baba loyo wathi hey le ngane lezi ziyaphapha man, ingane lezi wena ngane lalela baba wena. Baba Mdluli unesithunzi esingaka, hayi uyakujwayela lo mfazi wazi. Vele ngibuye ngikhala kule sonto leli sisonde kuyo, bathi yimele uNkulunkulu. Abazalwana babathandaza, they said rebuke spirits of polygamy. They don't know ukuthi thina siku polygamy, fake polygamy ngoba ngithole ashadile ngisho asayinile angisana space, that's why ngithi fake polygamy. Masithi masithandaza bathi hey pray for spirit polygamy to leave you alone. Pray. Mangithi ngiyathandaza. Wahlebela, hey wena. Mongathandazela le spirit of polygamy siphume, I'll divorce you in one day. In my heart, what are you divorcing? Because already angisekho. Now siza ngiyajumpa ngoba izitori zamayese ngeke ziphele ngesikhathi ngilanga eli1.
Yeah.
To cut it short baba. Ukuthi sikhona ukungena kwindaba yomntwana. Kwahlukana kahle. Mina I don't even know today ukuthi sihlukaniseni, but remember there was a word ukuthi hlala. uNkulunkulu sokukhipha. Right.
I think let's do this thing because of our time. Isession yethu sifike ngasekugcineni. Ngizothanda ukuthi ke sikhulume ngayo umntwana ke manje.
Yes. But before singena kumntwana baba, siyasahlukana, masihlukana kwaba ukuthi nawo ngihamba nomntwana manje. Sesaqoshana la sihlala khona. Umntwana lo, he's a special child to me. Kunengoma lengimenzele yona laba bangaziyo nebazi ukuthi as I was grooming him, I was engaging him kuma calling ngoba ngibone naye ukuthi njengoba ubaba wakhe ane media side, again is a jazz artist, nami ngapha media side, umntwana had 80% chances ukuthi angaba ku this industry. Ngabona ukuthi une calling, ngathi ngena join. Nginengoma yomntwana before ngingena kulo umsebenzi womntwana, inkulumo yakamntwana, ngifuna ukuthi ngimculele le culo leli ulizwe ukuthi mengithini kumntwana.
Okay.
Laba bazolifuna ukulalela in full bazolithola kuma social media.
Yeah.
I'll just sing the first part ukuthi bazi ukuthi lo mntwana lo how important he was, and the reason why futhi important uzalwe December, ngizalwe December. To me he was a special child. Umntwana lo abangithanda ngimthanda, umntwana lo abangilalela ngimlalela, kodwa umdluli wabona sijabulile wazokhosa ubuhlungu wadlula nomntwana.
We'll get into that. Bazana bam nilapha emakhaya, please stay tuned. Sibonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu sihleli naye usisi Angel Noko. Sizongena kuyona kule season nale ngoma le asiphathele yona dedicated to umntwana wakhe, but due to time sicela ukuthi mhlambe ke sithi kuyibaba la kancane. Sizwe
ungathi kuna rate kahle ne?
Ya amnandi yazini.